What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this full face of Motives Cosmetics and get this beautiful finish right here. We're going to be using the whole collection of Motives Cosmetics and the static palette. So if you want to find out how to get this look, then baby girl, stay tuned. Okay, welcome to my full face tutorial. So first thing we're going to do is go in with this Insta Smooth Line Smoothing Cream by Motives Cosmetics, okay? So basically you're going to take a little bit just here on your finger, and all we're going to do is dab it where we get fine lines in our eyes. Just here. Nice and soft. All right. Now, step number 2 is we're going to hydrate and moisturize our face before we begin. And I'm going in with this Lumiere Davy. And it's actually intensive hand and body cream. But I say if it's good enough for my hands, then honey, it's good enough for my face. So let me just read off what it says here. This intensive, rich cream saturates skin for long-lasting hydration. With nutrient-rich ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil, this powerful cream helps break the cycle of dryness and dehydration to give new skin softness and suppleness. Honey, sounds good to me. So take a liberal amount like so, and we're going to put that all over our face. All right, now we're going to go in with some primer. So this is the Motives Complexion Perfection Face Primer. So now what this is actually really going to do is it's going to serve two purposes. First, it's going to fill in all your pores, and the next is going to make your makeup last really long. Now, I do have a lot of pores on my nose and just a few here. So just a few here too. I don't bother putting it all over my face, just where the pores are. And mainly just through the T-zone actually, because if your makeup's good enough, honey, it's going to stick to your face. All right, done. All right, next step, we're going to be going in with your foundation. So I'm using today Motives Illuminating Liquid Foundation, and I really do like this one because it's not too thick. I don't like cake face makeup. I want it to look as natural as possible, you know what I mean? So let me just say, a weightless, buildable foundation that it creates a natural, luminous finish. The creamy, long-wearing formula melts into skin, leaving you with an illuminated, flawless-looking complexion. You know what I mean? Okay, now I've got mine in Creamy Natural. So you don't need a lot. A good quality makeup brand means that you don't need a lot. So that's all, okay? So I just like to spread it all over my face, just like so. I've already done this side so that you can see. See, I don't even use that much, okay? All the way down here, but I do need it on my nose. Just go all like this down to the chin. Like that. And then we're going to blend out with either a damp beauty blender or a foundation brush. Next step, I'm going to be going in back with this Maybelline concealer in color 120 light, and I just love this because it's just so easy to apply. I do like Maybelline as a drugstore brand, I'm just saying, and that's all, okay? Don't go too overboard, all right? And then just pick up another brush and start blending it in. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the Motives Translucent Powder. So this is it here. This is quite a lot. All right. Open it up. Ooh, honey. Let's get smoking. All right, so just pick up a little bit like that, and we're just going to dab it underneath the eyes just to set, okay, so that you don't get any cracks down there underneath your eyes. All right, and you can already see, like, look at that. Look at that airbrush effect from that side to that side. All right, right? Do it under this eye. Remember, don't go overboard. We're just going to set under there so we don't get any cracks. And the other thing that you can do is just set on top of your eyes as well. And this is going to help when we apply eyeshadow to the top, that it just blends in really nice and easily. Done, darling. All right, next step for me is to cream contour. So I'm going to be using this Motives Cosmetics, and I don't like my contour to be too warm, okay? It's got to have a cool tone because it has to look like a shadow color. So what I like to do is just basically mix these two colors up here. These two colors are just slightly too dark. And then I'm going to go along the forehead, all right? Because we want to reduce this section here. So wherever we want to like make smaller, we just use shadows. Okay, now we're going to go carve out our cheekbones. Just go from the top of the ear just down to there. All right, make sure everything joins up. I've already done my nose contour, and then you're going to come just along here underneath the jawline. Okay, and for me, I've got quite a long chin. I'm just going to do it like that. Okay, so just going to grab another blending brush and let's get blending, baby. Now that we have blended all our contour out, we are ready to set it, honey. So grab your translucent powder, okay, open it up, and all we're going to do is take a little bit of powder, okay, and just set it. Just lightly set your face. That's all. Set it. Set it and forget it. Done. Okay, next step is to add your bronzer. So I'm going to be going in with Motives Cosmetics bronzing powder, and this one is called Hampton Socialite. Grab a brush, dab it in there, and we're just going to go over that cream contour, okay? So we're going to bronze here and like a big 3. All right, here we're just going to warm this section right up. Next step is to go in with your blush, and I'm using this one. It's such a beautiful color. I love this, and it's actually called Peachy Pink. Oh, how cute. Just on the apples of your cheeks. I actually really love blush. I love it. So we're going to do here and here. And then we're going to bring it up and just blend it in almost with your contour. Done. All right, now for this next step, it's really not that necessary, and we're talking about baking, okay? However, I do like to bake my nose because I do want it to look a little bit more narrower. And I love, you know, baking down here because I want my cheekbones to pop. You don't need to do this step if you don't want to, but I've used Fit Me Maybelline translucent powder in the color 10 Fairlight, and all you want to do is get a damp beauty blender and just pop the powder in the sections that you want to highlight, okay? Gosh, it's hard work, I know. Moving on to the next step, darling. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to do our eyes. So of course I'm using Cosmetics eye palette in Static. So this is what it looks like, and da-da-da! Oh, honey, we're going to have some fun today. I love these colors, all right? So we're going to be starting off with this color right here called Drenched. Drenched, baby. We're going to be going right up under here and just popping it under our brow bone, just like so. Now, the next color we're going to be going in with is this one here, and it's called, of course, Attitude. We're going to be putting it right underneath the brow bone and just above the crease, just like so. Next step, we're going to be going in with these two colors here. So this is Fever and Wrecked, 1 and 2. So let's just mix these two colors on the brush. And what we're going to be doing is carving out our eye like this one. Okay, so we're going to go into our crease and just start working that like so. Now using those same two colors, this one here and this one, we're going to bring it down underneath the waterline and just work it just like so, gently, almost like a smoky look. Okay, now for the lid, we're going to go in with this pretty pink color here called Pandora. We're going to put it all over the lid. Okay, next we're going to go in with this beautiful color right here called Spell, and we're going to just put it right in the tear duct, just like this. Oh yeah, look at that color just pop. And last but not least, we're going to finish off with a little bit of black matte on the bottom. So let's go in with this final color here called Void. And all we're going to do is just touch up down here and deepen the color under our waterline, okay? Just like that, like the other side. Next, we're actually going to add black eyeliner to the top here and inside the waterline. So I'm using Motives Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Black Eye Pencil, and we're just going to line the inside waterline. Top and bottom. Now we are on to mascara. So just grab your mascara. I want you to coat the top lashes and the bottom lashes. Alright, so once you've done with that, if you like your lashes like this, then you can go ahead to the next step, or you can add false lashes like I'm going to do because I actually don't have any lashes. So let's do it! Ta-da! Yes, how you going? Yeah, good, thanks. Wow, I hope you like it. Did you add your false lashes? If not, then honey, you have the time. You can do it right now. I shall wait. And for the last and final step, we have to add our lips. So what do you think? We've got this one here called Dragon Fruit. What do you think? That will sort of match with the purple in my eyes. Or we've got this one here called Tantalize. Don't forget my jacket. What do you think? Should we try both? Let's do it. Because honey, you can be extra anytime you want. Why not? Let's do it. Let's go in with Dragon Fruit and let's have a look. Woo! Okay, let's do it. And well, that is the final look on this color at least. And look, it all does kind of tie in quite nicely, but dragon fruit, it's a bit more than dragon fruit if you ask me. Don't know whether I would be game enough to go out looking like this. Probably get arrested, you know. Don't even know if my husband would approve of this color. But there you go. How about we move on to the next color? I think the more subtle pink would probably be what I would choose for myself. Okay, so now we're going to go in with that second color, which I think suits me a little more. Just a little more subtle. This is Tantalize. So, let's do it. And it's safe to say I am much happier with this color. I just think it just ties in and blends in and this gives me a more of a harmonious look between my jacket, my eyes and my lips. Now I have to say with this Tantalize it does leave a glossy finish. So what do you think? Okay, and I hope you enjoyed watching this look as much as I enjoyed making it for you. The last step is going to be this Motives 10 years younger makeup setting spray. So, and what that's going to do is just allow the makeup just to blend into each other. Oh yes, I do like this look. How about you? Feeling quite sophisticated at the moment? Yes. Sorry that my lighting is not really on point, but what do you think of this look? And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off in the comments below. I shall see if I can help you. Until next time, I shall see you back here on my channel. Mwah! Bye-bye.